We're watching Teslas react to medical emergencies, police interactions, terrifying road rage, and a whole lot more in today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
This subscriber was having fun with friends and was about to head home after finishing an escape room and enjoying some ice cream. Just a few miles from home, as they turned onto a main road, a Dodge Durango pulled up behind them, which our subscriber told us had been upgraded with a supercharged 5.7 Hemi engine. With a right turn coming up, our subscriber kept to the right side of the road, but the Durango driver floored the gas pedal in an apparent attempt to overtake his Tesla, which we all know is a pretty foolish thing to try. Our subscriber didn't mind seeing a powerful vehicle with a nice engine, but evidently the driver was triggered after being embarrassed by the superior acceleration of our subscriber's Model Y. He stayed on the throttle, tailgating our subscriber feet away from his bumper, but our subscriber assumed he was just wanting to race and pulled over to let him pass. When he pulled in front of him and got out instead, our subscriber realized he wasn't racing, he was road raging. Our subscriber quickly reversed before speeding around the other driver, knowing it would not be a good idea to get involved in a physical confrontation with someone who was clearly mentally unstable, especially with passengers along for the ride. The petulant child spat on his Tesla as he drove around him. Our subscriber turned into a neighborhood in hopes that the Durango driver would move on, but his hopes were dashed when he spotted the SUV following him down the residential street. At that moment, our subscriber decided to call the police and give them the Durango's license plate number, then make his way as quickly as he could to the nearest police station. When the SUV again caught up to him in traffic, he pulled a quick U-turn and left the Durango in the dust. After safely delivering his friends home and showing this footage to his family, they advised him not to drive like this again in the future. He told us he was acting instinctively at the time, but in hindsight, it would have been better for him to resist his fight-or-flight response. Honestly though, heading to a police station is not a bad idea if you're being followed. Just remember to do so safely so you don't get in a wreck on the way there. Paul was using full self-driving in his Tesla Model 3 when his Teslacam captured chaos as he merged onto a highway. He described the scene as classic bad driver misses their exit energy, and in a few seconds, you'll understand exactly what he meant. The driver of a white car swerved across multiple lanes to reach an exit, causing a vehicle collision immediately after cutting across the path of a Ford F-150. The Ford pickup rear-ended the Kia Soul before the driver immediately pulled over and stopped on the shoulder. The Kia Soul driver also safely stopped after the collision, but since Paul couldn't find a safe place to pull over, he wasn't able to find out why the impact had occurred. This incident brings up an important lesson. If you waited too long to get into the exit lane, don't panic. Just continue to the next exit, or use your navigation to find a new route. Blindly cutting across traffic is never a good idea. Zayden was taking himself, his brother, and a classmate to school in his mother's Model Y Performance one morning when a utility truck pulling a trailer suddenly sideswiped him. After the utility truck invaded the HOV lane without signaling, the impact pushed the Model Y into a traffic island in the median. Zayden and the other driver turned down a side street to assess the damage and exchange information. Thankfully, nobody was injured in the collision. Police arrived under 5 minutes later. Once they'd seen Zayden's Teslacam footage, they had no trouble citing the driver of the utility truck. While the Model Y's passenger side took the brunt of the impact, the driver's side was also damaged by the traffic island. At first, the Model Y seemed drivable, but as Zayden made his way to a repair shop, it started to display warning after warning. He finally decided to stop and call a tow truck. Sadly, the Tesla was totaled after the repair estimate exceeded $15,000 US. Irving was driving his Model Y when the California winds were blowing hard as he made his way to work. He assumed traffic was backing up because of the strong winds, but when he saw brake lights coming on, he realized that something else was causing other drivers to slow down. The wind had blown a tree across the highway where it had crushed another Tesla. Thankfully, Irving was in the passing lane at the time, which remained unblocked. Since he was already going to be late for work, he called 911 to report the incident as he continued. Abi was waiting at an intersection in his Model 3 Performance on his way to an appointment when the driver of a Honda CR-V turned from the wrong lane and collided with a Lexus. Both drivers safely pulled over, so Abi is hopeful there were no serious injuries. But since he was already running late for his appointment, he didn't stop. Rusty's wife was taking him and their 3 nieces home after a Good Friday church service when they watched 3 kids on a motorbike cut off a vehicle ahead of them. Rusty assumes, and we tend to agree, the youths were underage, unlicensed, unregistered, and definitely disobeying the rules of the road as they nearly got themselves killed. Not content to merely be reckless, one of them tossed a drink at the driver they'd cut off. They then told him he was number 1, solidifying their status as both stupid and annoying, but the driver made a U-turn and took off after them. Here's a tip for our younger viewers. This is a great example of how not to behave. Being reckless and aggravating others is not something to emulate or be proud of. Ethan was driving down a highway in his Tesla on his way home from Florida to Dallas when he spotted an active road rage incident. He has no idea what interaction the involved drivers had prior to this, but he watched as the SUV driver threw something that looked like a bottle at the sedan after the driver brazenly swerved to cut them off. Ethan told us both drivers seemed to have calmed down as he passed them later, but we can't help but notice how reckless it was for the sedan driver to swerve toward the SUV. In fact, it almost looks like they tried to perform a pit maneuver. Thankfully they failed, but this should really send the point home that using your vehicle as a weapon is dangerous for everyone involved. In addition to endangering others on the road raging can easily turn into a catastrophe that gets you hurt too. Matthew was driving a loaner Cybertruck while his Cybertruck was at a Tesla service center. Sadly, he wouldn't be returning the loaner before an unpleasant surprise appeared in the road in front of him. Matthew had no choice but to run over a ladder lying partly across his lane. He quickly checked his tire pressure on the screen to verify that no tires had ruptured as he continued. The Cybertruck tires sure are durable, but the same can't be said for that poor ladder. Matthew suspects that the tires of any other vehicle would have been destroyed by running over a metal ladder like that. Timothy was driving his Model 3 in Quebec when he spotted the flashing hazard lights of multiple vehicles up ahead, and he quickly realized why. A massive crater had appeared in his lane, and the drivers ahead had all damaged their vehicles by driving over it. Thankfully, Timothy spotted the pothole in time to avoid it, but at least 16 drivers ahead of him hadn't been so observant. Talk about a bad day. Bruce was driving his Tesla Model 3 in San Jose and was about to exit a highway when traffic ahead came to an abrupt stop. As he slowed down, he heard tires screeching behind him. When he checked his rearview mirror, he saw a pickup rapidly approaching. Instinctively, he swerved off the road to avoid being rear-ended by the pickup after its tires had locked up, preventing the driver from swerving. As soon as the driver released the brake pedal, the pickup jerked into the neighboring lane. The pickup driver then merged into traffic ahead on the same exit ramp. Thankfully, this scary incident was only a close call. This subscriber was driving his Model 3 in Thailand one night when he decided to overtake a pickup ahead of him. But when the other driver didn't want to be overtaken, everything spun out of control. Literally. The pickup driver floored the gas pedal, sending a huge cloud of smoke out of the tailpipe before the tires lost all traction and the pickup spun down the highway. Thankfully, the pickup didn't collide with anything, and both drivers were able to continue. Even so, we're sure the pickup driver's pride was injured. Our subscriber told us this incident is far from rare, and he encounters drivers like this one all the time. Hamza is a rideshare driver who was taking a break on the side of the road in a spot he'd parked in many times before. He told us this location is right in the center of the city and a great place to wait for more riders. About 10 minutes after he'd parked, he heard a loud bang as an SUV drove by. He also heard glass shattering, so he thought someone in the SUV had thrown something at his Tesla. He quickly chased after the vehicle before confronting the driver, who denied that anything had been thrown. Eventually, after Hamza told them he was calling the police, the passenger admitted to throwing a glass bottle at his car. They started apologizing to Hamza, but then the driver sped away. Hamza chased after them while on the phone with emergency operators, but they told him not to continue following in case any of the SUV's occupants were armed. Sadly, the SUV was never found, and the person who vandalized Hamza's Tesla was never brought to justice. If you know who this vehicle belongs to, get in touch and we'll pass the information along to the authorities. Amory thinks he saw a bus getting chased by multiple police vehicles while on his way to a charging station. While Amory waited at an intersection, he watched 2 police vehicles ahead of the bus block the intersection before the bus turned. He thinks they were trying to stop the bus, but we have another theory. This looks like a police escort of some kind, probably for some special school field trip event. Those 2 police vehicles were probably closing the intersection so the convoy could pass through without having to worry about the traffic light. What do you think? Pete entered a left turn lane with islands on each side while driving his Model 3, but his left turn was about to turn into a scene out of an action movie. The driver of a Honda Clarity, who was definitely paying attention to where they were going, veered far enough out of their lane to drive up onto the island after almost sideswiping Pete's Tesla. The impact with the island sent the Honda into the air before it slammed back down, now in the oncoming lanes. Pete waited for first responders to arrive before offering them his Teslacam footage. That's when police officers told him the Honda driver had allegedly experienced some kind of medical emergency. Mert was driving his Model Y one Saturday night after a barbecue, on his way to get some baklava, when an oncoming bus driver suddenly made an illegal overtake, completely blocking Mert's lane. Mert flashed his high beams to alert the bus driver, but the bus driver only flashed his in response before waving at him as he passed, seemingly apologizing for his recklessness. Mert told us he sent a copy of his Teslacam footage to the authorities, but he doesn't know if they'll act on it. Zenitram was teaching his partner how to drive in his Model 3 when they went to make a left turn. When his partner noticed traffic ahead turning left, he assumed there was a green arrow to make a protected left turn before following the vehicle in front of him. Sadly, he failed to notice an oncoming Rivian that wasn't stopping as he turned left. The Rivian driver slammed on his brakes, incredibly stopping mere inches from colliding with the Tesla. Thankfully, no contact was made, but everyone involved was shaken up by the scary close call. Mari parked her Tesla before boarding a train to Connecticut, only to discover an unpleasant Sentry mode incident when she checked her Tesla app later that afternoon. A random stranger she doesn't know aggressively kicked her Model Y's front bumper cover, and she has no idea why. Mari saved the Sentry mode footage, then shared it in a local social media group in an effort to identify the vandal so she can make a police report. If you recognize this individual, let us know who it is so we can pass the information along and hopefully stop them from doing something like this to anybody else. Tony was making a purchase inside a store when his Tesla app suddenly gave him an alert, prompting him and his wife to rush outside. When they reached the Model Y, Tony didn't see anything wrong at first, even after walking all the way around the vehicle. Check out what they found when they got into the car and loaded up the Sentry mode viewer. Multiple carts escaped the corral in a sophisticated dance routine before one slammed into the front of Tony's Tesla. When he went to check on the bumper cover, he found a decent-sized dimple where the cart demon had attacked. Tony notified the store management, but they told him they couldn't send a video file to their insurance provider, so he'd need to provide them with a photo. He's still waiting to hear back from them to see if they'll pay for the damage, but he suspects he may need to make a claim with his own insurance provider. Miss Evelyn and her son Tyler were headed home from school when they had an encounter with a driverless vehicle, but not the good kind. The driver of a gray Model 3 was making a left turn up ahead when they suddenly began reversing back into the intersection as an empty Toyota 4Runner rolled backward toward it, door open and driver chasing on foot. Eventually, the open door of the 4Runner ran into the Tesla, knocking the driver to the ground before it continued rolling away. The 4Runner slowly turned toward Miss Evelyn, and she told us she briefly froze as she realized that it was headed straight for her Model Y. With her son in the passenger seat, she engaged Mama Bear mode and floored the juice pedal, narrowly avoiding an impact from the self-driving Toyota. Good save, Miss Evelyn. We'll have to wait and see if we get any footage from the other Tesla driver who was involved. Chad was approaching a roundabout in his Model Y when, all of a sudden, a truck hauling a trailer began invading his lane. Chad hit the brakes and the horn simultaneously in an effort to avoid a collision. After the close call, Chad caught up to the driver, but he told us he acted like he had no idea what had happened. Phew, talk about bad drivers. If you want more car crashes, check out this episode YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. And be sure to subscribe so you'll never miss an episode. We'll see you next Sunday with more Teslacam and Sentry mode videos you won't see anywhere else.